Hey, what's up guys, this is Lexus and welcome to another unboxing video. And today we're going to unbox an air purifier by Xiaomi. This is the Mi Air Purifier 2H. Okay, so starting with the box, it's just a plain box as you can see. Really plain box, no other information written. And let's go unbox it. So here it says Mi Air Purifier 2H. So I got some decent reviews for this air purifier actually. I tried some other purifiers like Daikin, but they don't have a smart app that will control the air purifier and doesn't give you some metrics like knowing the quality of air in your room or how much dust or pollutants you have inside your room. So this one, you have the Mi Home app. Okay, so let's open it. Just have a small seal here. And box open like that. We have the quick start guide that we don't usually read. And styrofoam that protect the air purifier, and then the air purifier itself. So we're just put this down. The Xiaomi Air Purifier 2H. So as you can see, so you have the air intakes all over here, the front, the side, and the back. And we have indicators here, indicator lights. We have the auto, the night mode, and the power indicator. And we have here is the power button and then the Wi-Fi indicator. And of course, our big fan here. This is the exhaust with a Mi logo on top. And as I mentioned, the exhaust is all around, so it will retrieve the air 360 degrees. Now moving at the back, so we have the reset button. When you reset it, you need to press the reset and the start button simultaneously. Next is the filter replacement, and here's the filter. Just gonna pull that out.
Okay.
So we have the power cord here, and here's the filter. Back in. So we have actually the filter replacement guide. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a cleaning dust sensor. Now we will install the Mi Home app, and make sure that when you install the Mi Home app, it is a region specific. So if you bought it for your specific region, then you need to select your region, of course, because I have one camera in China region, and then I have here the Philippines region, so I couldn't find mainland China devices. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and watch out for our next unboxing
Video. Click here to subscribe.
and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.